What do you say?
Catenary.
And now what?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, please don't be gone, please don't. I don't think it's gone. I think it's gone. And we're going to that.
No. You got perception's bad. You gotta stop watching screens.
There it is.
Oh.
Catenary.
Do the numbers?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
I think that's gone.
I see it.
Where'd it go?
It's way up there.
See it?
There it is.
Yeah,
I don't see it.
I see it, Mama. Look. Look at that thing going
Coming down.
I see it now.
Yeah, there.
I see a streamer.
And it didn't melt, so that's good.
Oh, where's it going?
I think it's gonna get ate on by a tree.
Oh, we're good.
No, it's just down the hill.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's pretty hard.
I've been really pleased with that rocket.
That was like perfect. That Pepsi's perfect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not going up.
This is pretty good. I thought it was good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, did you see it?
I do see it. Your countdown was kind of fast.
Yeah, that's kind of wanted to see it.
Yeah,
That kind of looks like a light going meteor.
we should do a steady countdown.
Why?
Boop.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Go.
Whoa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Oh, that's on fire. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Another one.
What?
The motors are bad.
That's not 3, 2, 1.
Pretty sure we said no silly.
Yeah, it was only a little silliness. Whoa.
It's only our car.
Watch where your body is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was cool.
It didn't say 0 yet.
No shoot. Yes,
It doesn't have a chute.
no shoot.
It just goes boink. Just like that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no.
Come on, Dart.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, not on the building. Not on the building. Not on the building. Ouch. This one's gonna go really high, I think. Yep.
I see it actually. I think.
Come on, Dart. Oh, there it
I can't see it.
It's way up high.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
It should be a little louder.
Okay. Look at that.
I can't even see it anymore else. So
It's up there. See?
there we go. Taking his time. I'm just a little
See if it ends up in the tree.
I think it will.
Maybe, maybe, maybe. Oh!
5, 4,
4,
3, 2, 1.
That'll be nice and close.
What's gross?
All that stuff that came out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
I don't.
All right, I lost that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See it. Yeah,
Do these float?
Sometimes, until they fill with water.
no, 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 no.
You're wasting digits here. Whoa! No, I wanted a real countdown.
You said scratch it like a cat, and that was a cat.
It said scratch the skateboard.
Oh, a little tangled.
It didn't say do the countdown like a cat. It said do it right. There it is.
It's coming down fast.
I thought you meant like off for a while.
Down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's what made me cuss that so loud.
Bonk.
5, 4, 3,
Nope. Pop. Whew. All right. I have to use the bigger engine.